Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel Quick Tricks. I have an amazing recipe of butter chicken today. So let's start. We have milk here, roasted cumin powder, hot spices, garlic paste, black pepper. Next we have paprika powder, chili powder, turmeric, salt, and we have all-purpose cream here, chopped tomatoes, lemon juice, onion. Next we have half cup of butter. So these are all the ingredients we will be using for our butter chicken. So let's start the marination first. We have half kg chicken here. Now we are adding garlic paste and all the dry spices in it and mix them well. And you can leave the marination for about 1 hour. So take a pan, add some oil. Now we're gonna add butter in it so that it doesn't burn. And next we are adding onions. Stir them for about 2 to 3 minutes. And now is the time to add tomatoes. Give it 2 to 3 minutes and then we're gonna cover it for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes it becomes soft like this. And now we are adding our marinated chicken. And let it cook until it turns white. Well, here our chicken has turned white, so we're gonna cover it for 10 minutes. So this is the look after 10 minutes. And we are adding 2 cups of milk. Mix it well. And now we're gonna cover it again so that the chicken becomes soft and tender. After 10 minutes, it looks exactly like this. And now is the time to add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. If you like more cream, you can add it in generous amount. So it depends on your choice. And while adding the cream, make sure that the heat is low. After mixing the cream, now we're gonna cover it for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, it's about to done, but before dishing it out, we're gonna add our final aromatic flavor of butter in it. As the butter melts, you can dish it out. It's done and the gravy is perfect. So here it is ready to serve, guys. You can garnish it with fresh cream and coriander. So have a nice day, guys. Do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon button. Take care.